Question number 19. An electrical circuit is shown with loop X and junction Y. This is your loop X and this is your junction Y. Okay. Then what is the correct expression for the Kirchhoff circuit laws for the loop X and junction Y? So he is asking you to verify the KVL and KCL here. So towards it, if this is your positive battery, then the current should actually go like this. But what is the conventional current? The conventional current should be like this, but the designated current is in the opposite direction. So therefore, so we can say that the voltage drop here is minus E. So I can say minus E is equal to what are some of the EMF drops. So if the current had gone like this, if the current had gone in this direction, then the current would have gone from a positive to negative of the potentials, and thereby I can say potential drop here is negative, but it's moving the opposite direction. So therefore this should be positive over here. So therefore, if the current, what is the current here? I1, same current I1 would have flown here, I1 into R1, and when it comes here, it comes over here in the backwards of the loop, which should be I3 into R3 plus I3 into R3. Now, then do we have anything? No. Okay, you're not going to include this potential because it is not lying in this loop. It's not lying in the outward loop. It's in an inward loop. So this should be equal to one equation. Second equation, when the current I1 enters here, it splits into two parts. So therefore, I1 should be equal to I2 plus I3. Okay, which is the right answer. So it is loop X minus E equal to minus I1 R1 plus I3 R3, and I1 equal to I2 plus I3. So answer is here.